Welcome back to Turner Tools, EdTech tips and tricks to help you work smarter, not harder. Google Classroom is a wonderful tool that is an extension of Google Drive. When thought about in those terms, Google Classroom really is just a container for shortcuts. Let's think about the best way to organize shortcuts. First, we need to clean up the stream. By default, the stream will show attachments and details. Under Settings, you can also choose Condense Notifications or Hide Notifications. Let's go to the Settings or the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down to the stream, click the drop-down, and select your preferred stream look. In addition, I turn off the ability for students to create posts. This was a headache that did not prove to be useful with students. Students are still able to comment on posts. I find that cluttering up the stream with assignment notifications makes it hard for students to find messages in the stream. To be frank, I rarely use the stream because it gets messy and complicated. It is reserved for announcements that do not have an attached assignment. New this year is the ability to add display images to posts. I've toyed with this one because, you can add memes, and I love a good meme. On the classwork page, there are a lot of philosophies on organization. In this book study, I decided to go by week. Something that occurs in Classroom is that each new topic automatically goes to the top. I like this because new content is always at the top. You can always use the navigation on the left to go to a specific topic. To create a topic, click the big blue Create button and select Topic. Like in other videos, this is a place you can use text, so you can use emojis. Yay! You can then color code different types of assignments. But what if you already have a classroom done and you need to sort? That's easy to do. You can just click and drag the item to the proper topic. You can also use the three dots and edit the assignment or move the assignment up. By using the Edit the Assignment button, you can easily select the appropriate topic. Another pro tip is to use the Materials assignment type. This is helpful if you have content like a syllabus, class rules, teacher website, or other items that the students do not have to turn in actively. According to Kasey Bell at Shake Up Learning, and from my own experience, I have found that there are 6 ways people organize their assignments. The first one is by unit or modules. It is possible that Google originally designed topics to function in this way. Some teachers choose to create their topics based on dates, for example, week of 8-1 to 8-5. I do wonder and slightly worry what it looks like after several months of school, though. Number 3 would be organizing by type of assignment with topics such as bell ringers, daily work, and classroom materials. You will notice that I have used this in a PD way by sorting the first assignment and then videos and then the evaluation. You can also use numbers to signify the order of assignment. Remember to go out at least 3 digits, as over the course of a year, you will have a lot of assignments. If you are in elementary, the best way to organize could be by subject area. Now, you could also have a classroom for each subject, but I have found that this is insanity. I have also in the past created a Google Sheet that is a cheat sheet for all assignments. This works well for all students, but I originally created it to help my students who needed everything in one place. Here is an example, and I have included a template in the Canvas classroom. Number 5. You could create a special topic called Today. Any item students work on during that day would be moved into that location. Then after school, the items would be manually moved to a week or subject category for easy access after that day. Lastly, if you are a school that does standards-based grading, Layla Gregory suggests that you assign numbers and letters to each learning target and include that in the topic and assignment. So in the end, you have to decide what's going to work best for you and what's going to work best for the age of your students. Thank you for tuning in to Turner Tools. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope you learned something new to help you make awesome happen. Have a fabulous day.